Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sheena, and today I'm going to show you how I transformed this beautiful chair. Okay, the chair was originally brown and it had bare cushions, and so I added some fur to glam up a corner of my master bedroom. I did find this chair at a model home sale. I'm sorry, I went blank. And when I saw it, I instantly knew that it would be perfect for my bedroom. So I made some changes to it. As you can see, I transformed this chair for less than $30. So yeah, the chair was $20 at the model home sale, and the fur cost me $20 from Hobby Lobby. I did use a 40% off coupon, and of course the spray paint, I bought 2 cans, was $3.99 a piece. So if you would like to see how I transform this chair, go ahead and stay tuned. So here guys, I'm just going to use my favorite spray paint by Krylon, matte black, and I'm just going to spray paint the chair. I did have to use 2 cans like I said previously. I just wanted to make sure that the areas that was going to be visible was definitely covered. I did not get the whole chair spray painted, but you cannot see the areas that I didn't spray paint, of course, because they're being covered by the cushions. So yeah, this was the most tedious part of the whole process, was spray painting this chair black. So now I'm going to cover the cushions while I'm waiting for the chair to dry. Here I'm just measuring out the material to make sure I get a good cover, or enough fur to cover the sides. As you're going to see, I did not cover the whole entire cushion because of course the bottom portion you would not be able to see, so there was no need to waste material covering the whole cushion. I just cut what portion I needed off to cover the largest cushion, and yeah, as you can see, I'm just cutting the material, and it's very easy guys, very easy. So now I'm making sure that I have enough fur, and let's get ready to glue this baby down. So I am going to be using hot glue. I'm sure you could buy fabric adhesive or other something else to glue it down, but all I had on hand was hot glue, and you know, I'm not going to be removing the cushions or manipulating it, so hot glue is going to work just fine for this project. So I'm just smoothing everything out. You know, hot glue dries very fast, so I'm just making sure that it's stuck to the cushion. And yeah, everything is in place. As you can see, my cuts are not very proportionate or straight, but it definitely gets the job done. So here I am placing the top cushion to make sure that it's going to cover the area that I did not add enough fur to. I don't know if you could see that, but I did not go all the way to the top of the cushion with the fur because I knew that the cushion would stick out enough to cover the areas that didn't have fur. I don't know if that's making sense to you guys, but you'll see once the chair is put together with the top cushion and the back cushion. So yeah, right now I'm just hot gluing everything together for the back cushion. Same technique. I'm not doing anything different. I'm using hot glue. So yeah. So you guys, I purchased 2 yards of fabric from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember the actual price. I think it was $19.99 per yard, and I used a 40% off coupon, which took my total to like $21 or $22. And I thought that was a very good price for fur. So yes, the fur is from Hobby Lobby, and I used 2 yards. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.